I guess I'm a little clumsy sometimes, maybe.
Yeah, you remember that time yesterday you tripped on the stairs?
What, you not good at standing up?
Cute face, slim waist, wonder how I take. Wonder how I taste, yeah. She been running, but she already run a race, yeah. I swear I wonder how I taste. You stay on my mind, can't nobody take your place. You told me so many times that you done, but I.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I promise I'm not gonna disappoint. So yeah, as y'all can see from the title, we are gonna be doing a seafood boil plus a little couples Q&A. So yeah, if you are interested in that, stay tuned so you can get your dose of this. Alright y'all, so we are about to eat dinner and answer these questions that I found on Google. So I made some crab legs, some potatoes, some shrimp, corn, and these Red Lobster biscuits. Look bomb.
Yeah.
Alright, boom. So question number 1. Where and when did we first meet? I feel like everybody knows that. We always talk about it. Chipotle. 2016. Yeah. Chipotle 2016. He seen a baddie getting off work. And he was like, okay, Lonnie. Because you're not going to interrupt our whole video.
You want to get down?
And yeah, he seen me getting off work. And he was bold and he came to the table. And here we are now. So number 2 is, where was our first date?
The little hibachi place.
No. Was that even a date?
I don't know.
I guess so.
You want the cookie?
Number 3, what was your first impression of me?
I don't know.
What?
My first impression.
Yeah, like, I mean, you came to the table, so obviously.
Like, what was the first thing I said to myself when I seen you type shit?
Yeah, like, my first impression of you was like, I'm not a gold digger, but I was like, okay, he got money. Because obviously that's how you look coming in Chipotle.
So I smelled that money.
I didn't sniff you, nigga, when you came to the door.
So when I walked in that bitch, money everywhere, huh? You just felt that shit. Tell you what the first thing I said when I seen you was, I was just like, damn. So.
That's it?
I mean, it wow.
Damn.
Clearly.
Oh, you was speechless.
I pulled up, man. Because, you know.
I'll take that.
Easy money sniper on this.
Number 4, when did you meet my family? Shit. Coach and Max.
Right off top.
Yeah. Everybody else. A year later. Number 5, who said I love you first?
You did.
No. I implied it. You asked me and then I confirmed it. What did I say then? Because I remember everything vividly. So
no, you don't remember it vividly.
Oh, yes, I do. First of all, I was
vividly.
Alright. Number 6. What dressing do I always wear? They weird as shit for that, but
What they mean by dress?
I guess they mean like, what kind of clothes do I always wear?
Comfortable clothes.
Facts. You gonna be in some fucking
shit.
basketball shorts.
Comfortable clothes. That's all we like.
It's
What's the next one?
weird habit of each other.
Go. You first.
I'm trying to think, because you do a lot of weird shit.
Because you've been doing all the what's the names. Hold on. I'm going to read them now.
Yeah. Okay, a weird habit. What is one of your weird habits?
I don't got one.
Yes, you do. Maybe just randomly eating that beer salt.
And that ain't random.
That is.
I don't just eat it like at random food. Whenever I eat. First off, whenever I use a little beer salt, it's after I've already been drunk. I don't do it at random. I know exactly when I use it.
That shit's weird.
That shit gets rid of hangovers.
Alright, what's my weird habit?
It's quite a few.
Excuse me? It's quite a few. Ty, can you pass me a wipe, please? 2 wipes.
Okay, how do you like my new shoe?
Love it. I don't do anything weird, honestly. What do I do that's weird?
Nigga, you do everything with Brittany.
What does that even mean?
Like, you wake up, first thing, call Brittany. Everything throughout the entire day involves Brittany.
First of all, who else am I gonna? Wow, can I get the?
In every way, shape, or form. She be up all day, every day.
That's. What do you mean? What else are you supposed to do besides talking to your best friend all day?
What you mean?
I talk to y'all. You talk to Rob. Like what? You stay on the phone with Rob.
First off, I just started talking to Rob.
So boom, I just started talking to Brittany.
No, you didn't.
Next question.
You been talking to Brittany every day, 24/7.
Number 8. What? Go ahead. You read number 8.
What I often do in my free time.
Play games.
Facts. Jacory plays the game. Me.
Guess what she does?
No.
In
Talks to Brittany.
addition to talking to my best friend who lives 4,000 miles away, I be cooking, I be cleaning, and I be filming these YouTube videos, period, all the time. I be listening to Lonnie say mommy.
Mommy.
Number 8. How long have we been together? Shit, we pushing 3 years, maybe?
Our first road trip.
What was our first road trip?
Hawaii.
Yeah, facts. But that wasn't even, we didn't even get on the plane together, so. Damn. Where did we go? And to the Marine base out there.
Oh,
to get that.
Kaneohe.
Yeah. What is it?
Kaneohe.
Yeah, Kaneohe. We went to get some knockoff Chipotle. That shit was far, low key.
But now, since we can't have Chipotle, my mom makes it. What you do with it?
Number 11. First thing you noticed about me. We basically answered that, but I mean, I noticed the grill, obviously. So I noticed you looking at me. Period. What did you notice about me?
You was thick.
I was sitting down. Stop it. No, I might have been walking to the table.
You was definitely standing up when I first seen you.
Number
You
12.
wasn't sitting down first. Oh, what pisses you off? I got lost. I was looking at this. Oh my god.
What's me in your head?
What pisses me off?
Yeah, what pisses you off?
Me? When I have to repeat myself 100 times.
Same here.
Whatever. I would have to repeat myself to you.
So do I.
Oh my goodness. Number 13. What I'm not good at.
Cooking?
Ooh.
Hairstyles?
Hold on. First of all, I'm not good at cooking and hairstyles.
Yes.
I bet you be walking around the house talking about I'm the best cook ever.
That's tough.
So, period. Oops. Y'all want her? That's why she's not in the video. Let's see. I don't know anything that we're not really good at. Like, I guess I'm a little clumsy sometimes, maybe.
Yeah, you remember that time yesterday you tripped on the stairs?
What, you not good at standing up? You fall standing up.
Next question. What I'm good at. Everything. Honestly, hello.
Hair.
Yeah, we're great. I mean, honestly, what can I say? We're good at pretty much anything.
Yeah, cause I'm the go.
Favorite feature about each other?
Smile.
But why not just like you're good at that?
I don't know, maybe the lips. What do we argue about the most?
Damn.
You just be arguing about little stuff. One of us being cold in the bed, trying to put your feet on each other.
Facts, yeah.
That's about it. Cause that blows.
Yeah, you be pissing me off.
Do I have any weird obsessions? Jalapenos for him. That's definitely.
Damn, I don't think. Actually, damn. What could I
For
mean,
me?
that too. That peppermint. Lately that.
Oh
Peppermint
yeah, and I
ice cream.
just found some new ones at Safeway. Peppermint ice cream, bomb ice
No, it's
cream,
something else.
bread,
Bread.
a
Bread.
boogie. You name it. Nicknames for each other. Dada. Shit, that's all I call you. I've been trying to find
That's
a nickname.
this.
Find a nickname that sticks. What is my favorite restaurant?
Chipotle.
Everybody in America know that.
Chipotle.
What's your favorite restaurant?
Yeah, what is my favorite restaurant?
I don't even know.
What's my favorite
Papa
restaurant?
Panda Express.
That's what I was gonna say. Like on Island, it gotta be Panda Express, but
That ain't nothing but a fast food restaurant. That don't count.
what is your favorite restaurant?
Yeah, what's my favorite restaurant?
We don't know.
What's my favorite food?
Wait, wow. And I thought about this prior to it, and I had it down packed. Literally have no idea. I don't think you've ever told me like what your favorite food is.
You sure?
Yeah.
100% sure.
If it's not chicken, then I'm 100% sure. If it's not some chicken wings,
Mine.
is it?
Everybody love chicken wings, so.
You're always eating chicken. This video will be an hour long if you wait for me. What's your favorite food?
You don't know my favorite food.
I don't know.
Wait.
You know what it is. I had you make it.
I made it recently.
Is
Was
it
it
a
my
salad?
first time ever making it in my life? Did I eat it?
Yeah.
I said it was good. Yeah, I don't know. You lost me.
The chicken prawn?
You never have ordered that. Anywhere we have ever went, you have never ordered that.
I said what's my favorite food, not what I've ordered recently.
Chicken parmesan, y'all. And I failed at making that,
You
first
didn't,
of all. No, that was a fail. I gotta try it again. Let's see. And last question. They're so lame. Complete this sentence. You're my...
You said what?
You're my...
Chunky monkey?
Chunky monkey. Wow. Cute. Other half. Boo thing. Boyfriend.
Ooh, your hand cold
my
as a
hand
bitch.
cold as a... Watch your mouth. Yeah. So, yeah, boom. That was 20 questions of some couple, whatever. That was 20 couple questions. So, boom, we learned a little bit about each other. And we enjoyed this food a little bit. I wasn't really hungry, so, yeah. Lonnie tripping, but thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like...
Recording is hungry, look.
Definitely. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.